In the Zen tradition, enzo means circle, and it's a circle that is hand drawn in one or two brush strokes to express movement. A movement of the mind that is free and that lets the body create. The enzo symbolizes absolute enlightenment, strength, elegance. It also symbolizes the universe, the void or emptiness, and is this emptiness of inherent existence of all phenomena that allows for everything to manifest. So it's the source of creativity, and it is characterized by minimalism, and this is very traditionally used in Japanese painting and in calligraphy, both Chinese and Japanese. But it is a way of centering the mind, to find your balance, to express with one brushstroke the way in which you feel in a particular moment of time. And so it's a very nice exercise to do, and you can do like several brush strokes. You can splash painting on top of it, and it's good to have different surfaces to see the effect it creates in different kinds of paper and different kinds of brushes. If you have a brush that is a little bit dry, you can do a brush stroke called like Flying Dragon, and it's very interesting because it gives a lot of textures. So just keep practicing spontaneously. You don't have to do a perfect circle. You can just do several of them every day, or before doing a painting, before doing a meditation. It's also very nice to just release with an expression that you don't have to think anything about it. It's just a circle, and it's a little bit open at the end to give that feeling of continuously circulating. So try it, do your exercises. In this one I found the last one I really liked the effect it gave. You will start seeing that some of them have some texture or some nice element to it. I particularly like this last one because I feel it has a lot of balance and force in one stroke. So keep practicing and send me your drawings to see how it was. Tell me about your experience, and I hope you enjoyed this video.